Hello, this is the last of my current batch of Scrawlr boxes. It's April 2020s, and as it says, one little rip and I'm into my art supplies. So let's get on and do this. That's such a satisfying noise. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. Ooh, interesting. Let's see what this has in store for us. So what you can see so far is you've got the Scrawlr zine and you've got the little package inside. We won't have a look at the zine first. Let's see what's in our package. And as ever, I have some trouble getting this off. I'd like to apologise for the voiceover, by the way, because the sound quality of the recording I took was atrocious. So the first thing that I'm getting at here is the sweetie that always comes with it. I think this one was Niclair. Obviously it's over a year out of date. Well, the box is a year, but perhaps I will forego the joy of the sweetie this time. So let's have a look at what we've got. So this is a weird one because it's kind of watercolorish stuff, but it's all pencils and pens. So you've got a really cute looking sticker there. It's a really nice one, that one. And then you've got we've got the menu. So that's a Faber-Castell watercolor pen, dual tip. So that was a nice little surprise because I didn't even know Faber did those. So that was an interesting thing to see. And you got one brush end and one sort of nib end, not nib end. It's like a normal felt tip type looking end. So it gives you a nice choice of different textures you can get. These are called the Faber-Castell Albrecht Dürer watercolor markers, and according to the little menu thingy, they are worth $4.95 each. You've got the pencil. You got the paintbrush there, which is the Pro Art Polar series round brush in a size 6, $3.75. The pencils are all Faber-Castell Albrecht Dürer watercolor pencils. Now, if you know anything about these, you know these are quite expensive watercolor pencils. They're not cheap. So, you know, they're like the top end Faber watercolor pencils. Very nice light fastness, etc. They're $2.95 each, so they're nearly £3 for each pencil. So that gives you some idea of the sort of quality they got, and as you can see by those markings after their numbers, they're good colour fastness. They're nice. The weird colour selection those, because you got red, green and brown. That's sort of, I'm not sure, but we'll see what I make with it, I suppose. I'm not entirely sure why I'm taking so long showing you that. I think it's because I'm having trouble getting the camera to focus there. And then the pencil is a Derwent sketching pencil with an RRP of 169. Nice. I think, it's a B, so it's a soft pencil. And then you've got your print, which we all love. We all love a nice print. So that's their artist, their April 2020 artist did that. I think though, judging by some of the colouring on it, I'd say that there was a slight, it wasn't just used, it's either been tweaked in Photoshop or it's had some extra things put in. You've also got some watercolour paper there. Cold press, so it's got a little bit of texture, 300 GSM, so decent thickness. An A5 little sketch pad, which is not bad. I reckon it's worth $2.99, so you know. And then you've got the There you go, there's the Scrawlr artist for you. And somewhere I have the little folder, but I've had a bit of a tidy up since I filmed this, so I can't actually find anything. As is always the way when one has to tidy up. So, such is life. But no, it's a nice set of little things. If you enjoy watercolour drawing and painting, then it's, you know, it's a good starting kit. You can make, I mean, yeah, you can make most colours with that, because you got the red, blue and yellow in the different media. 2 different media. You got red pencil, blue and yellow pen, but I mean theoretically you can make all sorts. So there you go. That's one of my favourite parts of the Scrawlr box, is actually seeing what people have done previously. So even though, because of the way I'm doing these, it's what, you know, I'm never going to be in one of their things unless I start subscribing, which of course I might do if finances allow. And of course, the last but not least, the prompt for that month was Daydreamer. So with these bits and bobs I've got in this box, I shall have a little think and try and get something pretty done for you. So this is me having a quick test of what these pens and pencils can do. As you can see, I did it without recording it because I am a forgetful sausage. But they're quite nice effect-wise. They seem to move around quite nicely. Yeah, so we should be able to do something fairly good with them. And once I've finished having a bit of fiddle around with them, we'll get on to something a bit more aesthetic.